Hello, in this video I want to dive deeper in what is Sonny9. Sonny9 is an AI agent that handles your front office. It can be integrated directly into the website and it works like a chatbot. So here I'm showing you the demo agent that is now available on our website, that you can come anytime and check it out, how it works, ask different questions, and it will pull out information from the website, try to answer your question, and also will bring the web page where more details are contained. So you are not limited to just direct to the chat interface. So let's continue and let's try to fill in the tax organizer. One of the key features of Sonny9 is providing the relevant information from your clients. So let's say in this case we want to start tax organizer, sign an engagement letter, and on the back end we want to create the client information in our tools. So once the client signed the engagement letter, they can start filling in the information in the tax organizer or whatever questionnaire you have, and Sonny9 can answer any question and provide any details about any item, in this case in the tax organizer or your questionnaire, to help your clients understand what's actually required. So let's fill in some information and let's see what happens on the back end, where the actual information, including the files that you can see that were uploaded, will be sent. So as you can see, I received the engagement letter right now, and what will happen, it will trigger a set of steps. Step number one is the client will be created automatically in Quickbooks online, where all the information provided in the engagement letter will be automatically updated. So now we have our client updated into Quickbooks online. The next step is to create the Sharepoint folder. In this case, we want to store files, we want to store other information, and what will happen is automatically when the engagement letter is signed, Sonny9 will create additional infrastructure, in this case Sharepoint, it can be Google Drive, whatever you're using, and put the engagement letter there, and from this moment this Sharepoint folder will be associated with this client. So the next step is working with more professional software. In this case, we will automatically start an agent that will receive instructions from Sonny9 to create a client in Canopy. Canopy doesn't have an API, so what happens here, our robot is creating the client based on the information that Sonny9 has provided to it via secure upload. In this case, we are creating a business. We will add relevant information from this client, and it will be automatically created in Canopy. And the last step is to update the client in a more sophisticated software like Drake. Drake is a Windows-specific software that allows you to file tax returns. And in this case, what we're doing is we're not only creating a new client, we can also fill in all the tax information, including W-2, 1099s, and all the questionnaire in Drake. So what you see here is the robot also received automatically all the extracted information from Sonny9, and now a robot on a Windows virtual desktop is creating these items. So this way you can save a lot of time on onboarding and managing the client information. So if you're interested, get in touch with us and we'll be happy to automate your client intake.